Hey, gorgeous girl. I am so excited about this video. Yes, it's a haul, but not just any haul. It's a Lulu haul. I'm Eddie Christine and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I am so glad you're here. If you love activewear hauls, fashion, fitness, and beauty, you are definitely in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, oh, and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. A couple of things before we get started. I'll have everything in the video listed down below. The links down below are affiliate links, so if you do click them and buy something, I will receive a small commission. And thank you so much if you do. This really helps me to keep on making these haul videos. But even if you don't, thank you so much just for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll also have a timeline down below in the comments so you can skip ahead or back to any items that you might be looking for. I'll also have my measurements down below so it'll help you with sizing. For quick reference, I'm 5'4" and weigh 135 pounds. As usual with my Lulu hauls, I bought everything under We Made Too Much, so every item may not be available when you're watching the video. I don't know what it is with me and black Lululemon items, but I just seem to be drawn to them. So let's start off with something that isn't black. It's Hazy Jade. Is this not the prettiest color? It's called the Cinch It Up Tank because there are two cinches on either side. So you can cinch it up as short as you want or not. The fabric is a super soft, lightweight Pima cotton with just a little bit of added lycra for stretch. It's got a high neckline with not too oversized armholes. There's a front seam that goes from top to bottom, plus a scoop seam in the back with a rubberized Lulu logo. The description says not too short and not too long, and will hit you at the waistband of your leggings. And this is the Wunder Train cropped long sleeve special edition. And what makes it special? This was part of Lululemon's gold line. And you can see the little gold Lulu logo in the back. There's also really subtle Lulu branding all through the fabric. It's high-necked with a nice wide band on the bottom, which will also hit you probably just above your leggings. Oh, and there are thumb holes. It's 77% nylon and 23% lycra, so super stretchy and soft. The next long sleeve top is the Hold Tight long sleeve, and it's made with a ribbed modal fabric that's so soft and lightweight. The description says it's snug and has a second skin fit, and you know what? It really does. This top is also a size 4 and it fits true to size. This is the Shibori version of the Swiftly Tech tank. The color is called Shibori Stripe Graphite Gray, or as I call it, a tie-dye leaf pattern. Like all the Swiftly Tech tanks, it is hip length, high-necked with a racerback, and you can see the rubberized Lulu logo on the back. The fabric is super soft, lightweight, stretchy, and breathable. It's 60% nylon, 34% polyester, with some elastane for the stretchiness. I got this top in a size 4 as well. I've got 2 pairs of leggings in this haul, and the first one is part of the Lululemon Lab collection. And I don't know if you're like me, but when I see Lululemon Lab, I'm always a little wary. But these leggings are pretty tame. These leggings are made for running and have a banded top seam, along with reflective details on each side on the back, along with the rubberized Lulu logo. There are also reflective stripes on the bottom. There are pockets on each thigh. They've got a raw hem, so they fit really nice around your ankles. The fabric is lightweight, breathable, of course, for running. The fabric is 83% nylon, 13% lycra, super soft and stretchy, and I would say medium compression. They definitely stayed up on me. I didn't have any issues with having to keep pulling them up. The color I got was black granite, and to me, this is more of a dark gray than black, and I got these in a size 6. I feel like these fit true to size. Speaking of a line, well, we just had to have another pair, and look how cute this pattern is. This color is like a combination of animal print and camo. And guess what it's called? Wild Thing Camo Deep Coal Multi. I mean, oh my goodness. I mean, Lulu, could you just call it Wild Thing Camo? The Lulu logo is on the back waist. I did get these leggings in my usual Align size of 4. The top I've been wearing in this video is called the Time to Restore top. It's the same soft, stretchy Pima cotton as the Cinch It Up Tank. It's more of a cropped length. This is the back with ties in the front. The description calls it a relaxed fit, but once you tie it, it cinches it up so cute. I bought this in a size 4 and it fits true to size. This top is so cute with leggings, but you can also totally dress it up. I've got one sports bra in this haul, and this is called the Fine Form Sports Bra, and this is for A to E cups. I bought mine in the 34C and it fits true to size. This bra is made for training. It's super soft. This is made with ultra Rulu fabric. This bra is considered medium support, but really for me, I could use it for running. It's really smooth and just molds to your body. It's got thin built-in cups that aren't removable. This isn't a long line bra, but it does have a fairly decent seam with the Lulu logo branding, and it doesn't seem to roll up. It's got a back clasp with adjustable straps, plus it's got this little hook, and it's a Racerback. I'm going to wrap up this haul with 2 super cute jackets that are just perfect for spring. The first is the All Yours Zip Hoodie, and just look at this color. It's called Heathered Ivory Peach, and it kind of reminds me of coffee that has a lot of cream in it. I would have preferred to buy this in extra small since it is oversized, but they only had it in small, so that's what I got. This reminds me so much of the scuba hoodie. It's just looser fitting and not as structured. It's made with the same snugly soft 4-way stretch cotton blend fleece. It's got a nice size hood with no drawstrings, cuffed wrists with no thumb holes. It's got the really roomy kangaroo pocket with a small media pocket inside. And you just see yourself wearing this on the beach on a nice foggy morning. There's a very discreet rubberized logo on the back of the jacket. And oh, and it doesn't have the Lulu branding on the front like the scuba hoodie. Kind of like Align leggings, I am totally addicted to Define jackets. And look at this one. I mean, so cute. Plus, it's hooded. This is made with the buttery soft, weightless Nulu fabric. And this has another mouthful of a color name. Let's see if I can get this. Heritage 365 Camo Green Twill Multi. I did it. And this is such a muted, pretty camo print. There are drawstrings on the hood, thumb holes and cuffins, front pockets, Lulu logo on the back under the hood, and the back flap with mesh to keep you cool. There was so much discussion in the comments on this jacket that it ran super small and people were saying size up at least 2 sizes. Well, I just sized up to size 6. I usually run between 4 and 6 on jackets, and I love the fit. It's definitely not too tight, but I do like my jackets fitted. So if you like a little looser fit, you may want to consider going up 2 sizes. Well, that's it for this Lulu haul. I hope you enjoyed it and found some things that you love too. Let me know down in the comments below what you found. Also, let me know down in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Have a gorgeous day. I can't wait to see you next week.